Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with this little pour that I am calling the perfect storm. So I'm trying it out on this, I think it's a 30 by 20 canvas. I'm using my global Keep It Simple Kiss pouring medium and my lovely global impasto paints. So I have got a link down below if you're looking how to mix the paints with your pouring medium. So it's all there. So I'm just going to really let you watch this one and enjoy, and I will jump in where I feel I need to. But yeah, you'll see what I mean when I have named it the perfect storm.
But I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done, when all is said and done, we went head first into the waves. We were
Just making sure there's plenty of base coat on there, just because I want to try and produce some cells from my pouring medium. My Kiss pouring medium will help me produce these nice little champagne cells, hopefully on this particular piece. And so that's what I'm doing. I've just put the line of the, I think I used phthalo blue there with my pouring medium and just giving it a gentle swipe. And as you'll see, these lovely little champagne cells appear, just like as though it's snowing on a dark evening. Well, that's what I'm envisaging anyway.
maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. Maybe in another life we could have worked it out, but we got too close to the sun. When all is said and done, when all is said and done.
Okie doke. So I'm loving that background. It's really pretty. It's just what I envisage for my perfect storm. So now I'm going to make it my perfect storm garden. So I've whizzed it over with that heat wand to just bring those lovely little delicate snowflake cells up. And now I'm going to pour some puddles in here. So the colour I'm using at the moment is my champagne gold, and I am going to use some turquoise, white. I think I'll add a little bit more phthalo blue, and I will add a bit more. I think I'll add some purple to that. So those are the colours that I'm going to use as my little blooms. whizzed over with the heat one just to burst any air bubbles. And now I'll get my mini baby Bayless dryer. Everybody still asks me. I did find this little blow dryer in a charity shop, and I haven't been able to find the exact same one available, but there is a link down below in my Amazon shop for a hairdryer that is bendy like this, and it's a Bayless also. So there you go. And look at these lovely little blooms coming up, but I want to add some more of my jilliness to it, so enjoy. I just love this. It's like the most beautiful snowstorm effect. Really gorgeous. And definitely snow's falling. Oh, look at those gorgeous effects in the cells. Like little champagne cells. Oh, I really like this one. I absolutely love the colours. I hope you guys love it too. So it's like a definite winter garden, isn't it, in the snow? So my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, if you are feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. If not, definitely helpline. There is always somebody there to help you out in the darkest of times. So take care. Until tomorrow. Bye for now.